Poul's Kitchen. This is Chef Paul. With me is Chef Amy.
Hi.
And Chef Alex.
Hi.
Alex is not in bed, nor is he with his parents. He's finally back. Say hi to your mom.
Hi, Mom.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Alex, too.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So before we begin, let's hit that like, share, subscribe. Please all visit www.poulskitchen.com. Visit our cookbook section. Some beautiful books on here. And today, Jess, we're going to make some videos on some homemade iced tea. Everybody likes iced tea. You like iced tea?
Yes.
Do you like iced tea?
I love iced tea.
Love iced tea. What I don't like is going to a place, paying a lot of money for it, and getting a lot of sugar.
Yeah.
It's garbage.
Mm-hmm.
So let's make ourselves some iced tea. I got 2 mason jars. There is 4 cups of water in each. Cold water. So I'm going to put 4
In each.
in each. 4, and I'm going to be using orange pico.
You can use whatever kind you like, though.
Whatever you like is what you put in. And what we're going to do is we're going to close this up and we're going to set this in the fridge for at least 12 hours. You can put it in a little bit longer. Don't put that in yet.
Okay.
You can put this in a little bit longer and you'll get better flavor out of it. So I'm not opening this until when we get out, ready to start living our day tomorrow.
Yeah.
We'll put this in the back of the fridge. It'll be nice and cold. And we'll talk about different ways to top this when we get up and around tomorrow.
And tomorrow it's going to have a dark, rich color to it.
Yep.
It's going to look way different tomorrow. So this is all we're going to do. Doesn't look that
That's
hard,
it?
does it?
No.
No.
No, it's going to be really super easy.
Water
in
and
the
tea
summer, in the
bags.
summer when you're not in the mood for a really hot drink, unless your name's Alex. We have to make a lot of coffee for this guy.
It's true.
But you're not in the mood for a hot drink, this will be really good. And honestly, you can probably just make, set aside of your fridge and just make a whole whack of these.
Yeah.
Pull them out, make your iced tea, and it's great. But we'll look at some healthy alternatives for this tomorrow, and we'll be back. Welcome back. So we're getting ready to have some iced tea. So I know Amy's been going on about this all night. So first thing you wake up, I guess we have to do this. So first of all, we're going to take the tea bags out because we don't need them anymore. I think we got most of them, if not all.
You got all of them.
Yeah, we got all of them. All right. So they're out. So now we got our 2 teacups, and now I'm going to put in some lemon. I would prefer to cut up some lemon slices. We don't have any. Not necessarily that easy to find this time of year, so I'm just going to put a squirt of that in. And then I'm going to put some honey. I don't need a whole lot. And then secret ingredient, cinnamon, some of the best things you'll ever have. It does help eliminate your sugar level. That was probably a little bit much.
Yep.
Amy can have that one. If you're ever worried about your sugars being too high, just start putting cinnamon in your coffee. Put cinnamon in a lot of things. It's not going to hurt you. Bring your sugars down. It's really good. So carefully, I'm going to start. This is a perfect little drink for the summer. Now what I'm going to get Amy to do, I'm going to try this out here. I'm going to put these in another container filled with water and see if we can get round 2 out of this. Probably can. So please hit the like, share, subscribe button. It really means the world to us. And also go check our cookbook out, poulskitchen.com. On the upper right hand corner there is a selection of our books. So check that out. And if you want to donate, that works too. So we appreciate you guys. Thanks for coming in. And I'm just going to take a taste. Oh, that's awesome. It really is. And I could start bringing this to work with me.
Yeah.
So, it's a pretty easy process. It's not that hard to do. So, just fill one of this with water, 8 things of tea, leave it set for overnight to 24 hours. It's not been quite 24 hours, but it's good enough. Put a little lemon in, put a little honey, that's it. It's not much. So until next time, stay safe.